but if there's no physical location for them to go to, then that deceives them effectively.
SEOscience.com. Something else that we've been working on as well, isn't it, Miko? We've had one of the sites in our network take a bit of a hit, and we've been looking at the content side, haven't we?
Yeah.
So what we've been basically doing is going through Sitemap, wonderful job, and like looking for any opportunities where basically the content might not be serving users in the right way. So tell us about what we found.
Yeah, so on the site in question, there were a lot of pages that just existed for like the sole purpose of, for example, geolocation targeting and like basically fooling Google. These were created a long time ago, and they just have been around. Um, but a lot of them didn't rank and they just existed just in case someone searched like X location and then, sorry, the keyword and the location together, and then they would try to come up. Obviously, that isn't the greatest strategy because Google is smarter than that at this point. And when you type in, for example, a pizza shop's near me, you will get local results for that. And then that will, rather than how do I describe this? So like if you have a page with a location, it makes sense if you're like a restaurant, like a food chain or something like that, because then you are in that location, like you are physically there. But Google knows that. Google knows if you are in that location because it has your Google Maps link and things like that all connected within that its own network. So it
Yeah.
already knows where you are. It knows where your domain's located. So trying to fill it in that way was never really going to work. Um, so we have been reducing the amount of those over time because it really wouldn't really bring that much traffic for the most part. I know it can work for some people, definitely, but due to our niches, it wouldn't really work because for a lot of our service-based clients, they would want to come to the location, but if there's no physical location for them to go to, then that deceives them effectively. And they might be put off by the fact that, we aren't actually in that location.